The app quickly spread across the globe, creating a massive, engaged community. Pi's strategy was unique. Build a massive community first, then launch the coin. By focusing on growth and user engagement, Pi set itself apart from traditional cryptocurrencies. The tech behind Pi uses the Stellar Consensus Protocol, making it energy efficient and accessible. This protocol allows Pi to operate without draining huge amounts of electricity, a major criticism of older coins. Critics doubted if Pi would ever become a real, tradable asset, but the project is now at a turning point. Many questioned whether Pi was just another crypto fad or something truly revolutionary. After years in an enclosed mainnet where coins could only move between verified users, major updates are finally paving the way for a public mainnet. This means Pi could soon be traded openly, like other major cryptocurrencies. The dream of Pi having real-world value is closer than ever, and the world is watching to see if this ambitious project can truly deliver on its promises. The big news? It's the moment Pi pioneers have been waiting for, a milestone that's been building anticipation across the entire community. The second migration is here, marking a historic turning point for the Pi network. This is when your mined Pi finally moves from the app to the real mainnet blockchain, transforming those IOUs into actual cryptocurrency you truly own and control for the first time. The first migration was just a test run, but this second wave is onboarding millions of pioneers at once, making it one of the largest blockchain migrations ever attempted. It's a crucial stress test for the entire system and a major step toward opening Pi to the public, ensuring the network can handle real-world demand and massive participation. Until migration, your Pi is locked. You can't trade, transfer, or use it outside the app, no matter how much you've mined. But once you migrate, your Pi is in your wallet, ready for future exchanges, apps, and the growing Pi ecosystem. You finally have access to your digital assets. This event proves Pi is moving beyond promises and into reality, showing the world that the project is delivering on its vision. Critics said Pi would never launch, but this mass migration is silencing doubters and turning skeptics into believers as they witness real progress. It's a call to action. Complete your KYC, secure your spot, and get ready for the next phase of Pi's journey. Don't miss out on this historic opportunity. The second migration is the strongest sign of progress yet, and it's only the beginning of what's possible for the Pi network and its global community. The biggest hurdle for pioneers has been KYC, proving you're a real person to prevent bots from gaming the system. The old KYC process was slow, leaving millions stuck and unable to migrate their coins. Now, a new AI-powered KYC system is clearing millions of users at record speed. Over 3.3 million have already been approved, and millions more are eligible to start. The AI checks your ID and verifies you're a live person, making the process fast and secure. If you haven't completed KYC, now's the time. This is your ticket to the mainnet. All you need is a government ID and the Pi browser app. Once approved, you can migrate your coins and finally own your Pi for real. Don't wait. This is your chance to unlock everything you've mined. Late 2025 brought another milestone for the Pi community, the launch of the Pi DeFi testnet, a major step forward in the project's evolution. This moment was met with excitement and anticipation as it marked the beginning of a new era for Pi users and developers alike. DeFi, short for decentralized finance, lets you lend, borrow, and trade assets without relying on traditional banks or financial institutions. It's a revolutionary way to manage money, giving people more control and freedom over their finances, all powered by blockchain technology. The Pi testnet, seamlessly integrated into the Pi wallet, introduces a decentralized exchange, DEX, and automated market maker, AMM. These features allow users to swap tokens instantly and provide liquidity, all within a user-friendly interface designed for both beginners and experienced crypto enthusiasts. With TestPi, you can practice trading, experiment with providing liquidity, and explore DeFi strategies, all in a completely risk-free environment. This hands-on experience helps users build confidence and skills before dealing with real assets. Since most pioneers are new to the world of crypto, the testnet offers a safe and supportive way to learn. It's a valuable opportunity to understand how decentralized finance works before the real mainnet launches and real Pi is at stake. The testnet is more than just a demo. It's a training ground for the future Pi economy, where users, developers, and businesses can experiment, collaborate, and innovate together. It demonstrates Pi's ambition to be much more than a simple payment coin. The vision is to create a full Web3 ecosystem, supporting a wide range of decentralized applications and services. The core team is working to ensure that Pi can power a suite of innovative financial tools and apps, making it a central part of the digital economy of tomorrow. This move not only boosts Pi's credibility in the blockchain space, but also gives users a real taste of what's coming next, exciting new features and opportunities. Pi isn't just a coin, it's rapidly becoming the fuel for a thriving digital economy, empowering people everywhere to participate in the future of finance. Let's talk about the hottest rumor, Pi Network aligning with the ISO 2022 standard. ISO 2022 is a global language for financial messaging, used by banks and payment networks worldwide. If Pi becomes compliant, it could partner with banks and be used for cross-border payments. While not officially confirmed, this would be a game-changer for Pi's credibility. Pi's tech is built on the Stellar Consensus Protocol, and Stellar is already ISO 2022 compliant. This foundation makes the rumor plausible and has sparked huge excitement. Compliance would open doors to mainstream finance and boost trust in Pi. For now, it's a wait and see, but the potential is massive. If true, Pi could bridge traditional finance and crypto, raising its long-term value. The ultimate goal? Launching the open mainnet, where Pi is fully public and tradable. Right now, Pi is still in the enclosed mainnet phase, with real transactions but only between verified users. This phase let the community build apps and complete KYC in a safe environment. Recent updates like AI-powered KYC and the second migration mean we're nearing the finish line. The core team expects a full mainnet launch by the end of 2025. They're also pushing for a strong app ecosystem so Pi has real utility from day one. Developers are building marketplaces, games, and more to drive demand for Pi. All signs point to the open mainnet becoming a reality very soon. Even before official trading, Pi's IOU tokens are making waves on some exchanges. These IOUs aren't real Pi, they're placeholders, and their prices are volatile. Recent news and compliance rumors have pushed IOU Pi prices up, even as Bitcoin and Ethereum dropped. There's buzz about Pi being MiCA compliant in the EU, which would be a huge regulatory win. Some even claim major EU countries might support Pi as a payment method. Price predictions for real Pi range from $5 to $120, but it's all speculation until launch. The real price will depend on supply, demand, and exchange listings. For now, positive sentiment and compliance rumors are setting the stage for a strong debut. With excitement comes risk, especially from token unlocks. Over 175 million Pi coins are set to be released in the next month, which could create major selling pressure. Early pioneers may rush to cash out, potentially causing sharp price drops. This is common for new crypto launches, but Pi's massive user base could amplify the effect. Watch for exchange inflows. More coins moving to exchanges usually means more people are preparing to sell. IOU Pi on exchanges has surged, hinting at what might happen with real Pi. Be prepared for volatility. Prices may spike, then dip as selling pressure hits. Don't panic. Long-term value will depend on utility and adoption, not just launch day hype. Have a plan, stay calm, and make decisions based on your goals. So, what should you do now? First, complete your mainnet checklist in the Pi app, especially KYC. Set up your Pi wallet and confirm it to ensure your coins migrate. Educate yourself. Try the DeFi testnet, learn how the wallet and DEX work, and understand liquidity. Don't just mine, get involved and understand the ecosystem. Decide your strategy. Will you hold, use Pi in apps, or sell some at launch? Having a plan will help you avoid emotional decisions. Stay tuned to official Pi announcements for updates on mainnet launch, ISO 2022, and exchange listings. Ignore unverified hype and FUD. Stick to trusted sources. The most exciting chapter for Pi is about to begin. Be informed, be ready, and get set for what's next.